You want to make your own Oreos?
Yeah. Yes.
What do you think goes in Oreos?
White stuff. Chocolate.
It's all right. We'll see if we can make some Oreos out of this.
So, are you gonna film us? That's enough now, Daddy.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Where are we?
At the grocery store.
At the grocery store. It says don't go that way. Let's go on this way. Look who else just showed up a half an hour late. It runs in our family. It's going the wrong way. The doors are this way. Where are you going? The cavalry has arrived. Are you ready to cook some stuff? Let's do it. What are we making? I don't know. Let's go to the food magazine. We're gonna pick something out of a magazine. All right, guys, we're gonna look through this one here and see if we can find something we want to cook. Do you want to cook that?
No, this deposit is for after supper.
Do you want to make any of these?
No.
It's because they all look healthy.
It's really funny.
You want to make your own Oreos?
Yeah. Yes.
So Oreos it is, I guess. All right, guys, we're gonna make our own Oreos. What do you think goes in Oreos?
White stuff.
What about the cookie part? Yeah, two? What goes in it?
So 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3
No.
Oreo cookies?
I want to make 5.
Okay, so let's go find some stuff that will make an Oreo cookie.
Let's get peanut butter out here. Are you going to make yours with peanut butter? Yeah. Got peanut butter. Yeah, I'm going to turn it. I will make mine with these. I want the colorful marshmallows, Daddy. Chocolate. What's this? No, steer it.
What goes into Oreos, kids? They picked that one.
Don't put it in the right. Daddy, come on.
Okay, so we got graham crackers, creamy French chocolate icing, assorted fruit-flavored marshmallows, peanut butter, Kinder eggs, brownie mix.
Oh, I just folded it.
You what?
Foot down.
Folded. Annabelle, your change? All right, let's get out of here. She's just chilling. This brings a whole new meaning to cool down time. Eating the frost off of them. Oh, we're gonna take our kids away. Yeah.
I hear something, okay, Damon? I think it's the Holocaust there. Oh, there's a seagull.
I had a dream that I was balding.
I'm starting mine. So I'm starting mine and rough this. I'm starting mine fast. What are we making? Oreos. Oreos? Yeah. So I say I'm making Oreos. Yeah, so we have to slam all these chocolates so they can be chocolate. So it can be chocolate. Only me and Bowman can. Can I have some peanut butter? Mine. I'm getting chocolate one. And I'm getting peanut butter. Right on. Yeah. Why aren't they coming off? Oh. Ah! Stop the Annabelle! I need some peanut butter too. Okay. Just scoop it. Yeah, stir it up. I need more milk. I'm running out of milk. I love Oreo. Yeah, so mine has numbers on it. So look, this has numbers on it. Oh, milk in mine. Stop. I need more milk too. I need more. The whole thing. Did I break it? I didn't break it. I didn't break it. I need some of this. Press me. Press me. No, press me. Mine's so hard to stir. But. What are you trying to do? I
Hey, where you going? Get back here. I'm trying to have a cooking show.
What are you talking about? I don't want to have a cooking show. What are you talking about? I'll be my trainer.
But we need you to cook Oreos.
Mine doesn't go very good. Mine's not so good. I'm this. Why? Because I love spatulas. Spatulas? I'm getting no marshmallow. Oh, it probably is a marshmallow. It probably is. Oh, I got a marshmallow. Yeah. Mine's so good. All right. I run out. So there are no more for this one and 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 that one. There's no more for me. Is that best? So we have to wait for these to dry up. Then we put them in the oven. Then they will melt probably. Then we can have a taste. Oh my God! It goes up there. On the top. And I'm gonna put mine in the bottom. I can't do it. I'm breaking it. That's some on mine. You can have the whole thing. Ugh. Okay, I'm doing green too. Ow. Oh no, the marshmallows are hot. Hey, another thing. What are you doing?
I mean, they're actually not that bad. They look good.
These are good.
I'm still eating. I mean, Are we applauding? Yeah. Yay, we got this far.
Melted marshmallows.
Melted marshmallows.
No.
That is marshmallowy.
The homemade Oreos that you made, they were super good or what? Did you like your Oreo? That's not even an answer. Use words. This is yours.
Our daughter's name.
You're welcome, Mom.
All right, are we gonna try these or what?